Welcome to this video. I'm talking to you today a little bit about a 21-day challenge that I'm starting 22 days before graduation. This challenge is gonna set me on the right path to start the day after graduation feeling the best that I can, to be feeling the best that I can on graduation day, and to just, get healthier and start a new path along with my new path in life. So I'm just gonna explain to you a little bit in detail about what this challenge consists of, and maybe you can decide to go on the challenge with me. We could be accountability partners. So what you need to know about the fitness portion of this challenge is it's going to be 30 minutes to an hour of cardio every day. This is not something you want to pass up if you really are dedicated to the challenge, because I think this is going to make one of the biggest changes that you're going to see instead of feel. So with that, I'm going to have 30 minutes on the treadmill each day. I like the treadmill better than the elliptical, so that's going to be my cardio. And then I'm also going to do light weights. I personally feel like cardio is better for me because I'm trying to lose more fat, but you can add a little bit of weights in there, or you can do your cardio through weights. But my cardio is going to be through treadmill. I'm going to be doing 30-minute treadmill workouts and then possibly adding a little bit of cardio on the ground, like burpees or jumping jacks or mountain climbers and things like that. If you're interested in this workout plan that I'll be doing, it's going to be intermediate level, and I'll put my blog down in the link so that you can go and see my workout plan and join me if you'd like. So a little bit about the 21-day healthy eating challenge that you need to know is you're going to be letting go of things that you're probably used to eating every week. So for me, I'm used to eating things like sandwiches. I make sandwiches when I'm on the go. I eat biscuits in the morning. I meal prep little biscuit things with eggs and like bacon and stuff. I'm used to I drink Dr. Pepper at least once a week. I eat hot Cheetos at least once a week. I like my Oreos and my Savannah Smiles. So there are some things that I'm going to be giving up there, and I'm going to crave them. I can tell you 21 days is not too long, but I'm going to crave them so bad. And I'm also going to be giving up alcohol, and that's a big one because, college, senior year, we're all a little cray-cray right now. So alcohol is going to be a little tough one. But for 21 days, I'm giving those things up, and just a little details on what I'm going to replace those things with. Soda, my Dr. Pepper, I'm replacing with sparkling water. Cookies, I'm replacing with oatmeal and sweet nuts, like dried fruit in there. And that's also going to replace chocolate. I feel like that's going to be a good little snack. I'm also going to be replacing bread. I'm just not going to eat any bread. I will also probably eat oatmeal in the place of bread. I'm going to be making meal preps. So for breakfast, I'm going to have kale, big piles of kale with eggs and tomatoes and vegetables in there. For my meals, I'm gonna be doing baked tilapia, baked chicken, and just a whole bunch of vegetables. I'm lucky because I love vegetables, so this isn't gonna be too hard for me, but it's gonna be hard to give up rice because I usually pair that with rice. I usually pair it with spaghetti. I eat a lot of pasta. That's not something you can eat on this diet, so I'll be giving that up. But instead of pasta, I have tried spaghetti squash before, and it's not too bad. I personally like the consistency and the starch or the carb part of pasta, so that's gonna be really hard. But if you just like the stringy, something to eat with your pasta sauce, you could try spaghetti squash. So that's just a tiny bit of what I'm going to be doing. I'm challenging you to do it with me. If you're interested, I will have also my meal plan on my blog in the same little blog link. I will also link you to other profiles where you can find other suggestions like quinoa. I'm also going to work into my diet, but if you like sweet potatoes, if you like things like that, you can find that on the links that I'll provide. And also, I'm going to be drinking 6 bottles of water a day, and that's very important for you to track because I want my skin to be flawless on graduation and beyond. So now water is going to be something that is 6 bottles a day is my minimum and probably what I'm going to get to, but instead of using 6 separate bottles a day, I'm going to go green and be refilling 1 bottle, but every time I finish one, I'm going to make a little mark on the top so I know how many I've drank so far. So that's going to be something that you could take and do as well. If you have any questions or any advice for me, or you just kind of want to let me know that you're taking this challenge with me, please communicate with that with me. You can probably find this on Twitter. I'm gonna post it on Twitter, Facebook, and I'll probably post a little picture on Instagram and say, go check it out with the link. So if you do, hit me up and let me know so we can be accountability partners. I will be working out at the Woods every day, so hit me up, we can meet up. Let me know, get ready for graduation. If you're not graduating, it's a great way to just start your healthy diet, you know, start living healthy and change a couple things about the way that you eat. So yeah, thanks for watching and find the links below.